Okay, welcome to code challenge number 38. So we will continue to evaluate Boolean expressions or determine if something is true or false based on the code challenge. And this time we're going to evaluate, does 15 equal 17? And more specifically, how do we put that in code so that the computer will evaluate and tell us if that is true or false? So are they the same or are they not the same? So we will be very specific to create two different variables and store those integers in those variables and then use the if-else structure to make that determination for us. So let's take a look at the pseudocode. And again, we'll display evaluate 15 equals 17. And then we will create two variables, num1 and num2, and store 15 in num1, store 17 in num2, and then make that decision. Num1 equals num2. And so you can see based on our pseudocode and the flow chart that we are specifically using those variables to represent those integers, and we want to make sure that we're using those variables because this becomes more and more important as our code becomes a bit more complex, and we will learn that in time. So with the flow chart, we want to ensure that we're using the diamond-shaped icon for the decision. Is this true? Is this false? And then, of course, our code uses the if-else structure. So with that being said, let's take a look if 15 is equal to 17. So we will evaluate if num1 is equal to num2. If true, tell us so. If false, tell us that. Let's run it. So we know 15 does not equal 17, and so does the computer. So with that, we're doing great, and I'll see you in the next code challenge.